How are y'all doing? Survivance with the Herbalist. I'm in Scottsbluff. I'm doing a little this shit different. Oh, fuck yes. Something happened today, guys. It's probably the new moon of my fucking sign, Taurus. I just had anger. Maybe it needs that anger. Sometimes it's not a bad thing. Oh my fucking God, this is fucking incredible. It's fucking... See, this is shit I fucking live for. Life's not too bad sometimes. It's good all the damn time. I have a fucking moment, though. I'm having my fucking moment now, but damn, look at this shit. It's hard to get mad living here. I know. Holy shit. This is crazy. I love this shit. I'm trying to meditate a little more. Wow. Wow.
Hi.
What's up? I just got more activated. Like a bunch of iron, you're not gonna like, you know, God energy is here. I don't know, I just feel downloads. It's crazy. Go down a little more. Just incredible. Fascinating. Just unbelievable. Hey y'all, this ain't gonna be a long video. I'm not gonna bore you. But you know, that's how it goes. Appreciate y'all still rocking with me. Keep going.